Here's my life recently. Get it? No? Okay, fine.
Ganito tayo mag-celebrate ng Valentine's, guys. Mag-code. 7 to 12 yung schedule namin and we have to finish the assigned task by 12 noon. I've been staring at this screen for so long na minamigraine na ako. I really can't stay in front of the screen for super long. Super lala ng eyes ko. Takot na ng ulo ko. So yun. I'm gonna lay in bed and rest.
Wow!
Flowers! Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Guys, look at what my mom made. She made this for me. And it just says my Valentine. This was filled with chocolates earlier. I got this flower. It's super sweet of her. I love my mama.
Hello! I forgot my mic. We're on Conti. You know what our mother.
Mulusot ang aking isa. Magkalela isa.
Ito yung favorite namin. Yung iced tea. I'll see you later when we're going to eat na. This is our late Valentine's kasi we stayed in yesterday kasi my work yung hot. I got the barbecue layer to it. Dito na pumunta. My mom cut up my meat for me because I'm her baby.
Oh my gosh. Good morning. Oh, just wash my hair real quick. Naligo na ako kagabi. At ayaw akong maligo na umaga. Kasi, Okay. That's it. I'm ready.
Our life recently. Hi guys. Welcome to Ethan's vlog. We're eating lugaw.
Lagay mo yan.
George, say hi. Eating canton. Lugaw daw yung kay Colleen. What time is it?
9:30.
It's 9:30. Wake up namin yun. Tapos 10 ulit yung task namin. Oo,
Georgie, hindi ka pa nag-hi. Pili ko nalagyan na nila yan. Iisap niya.
Hi, Senchan!
Wait.
Look at my flower, guys. Yan.
At least hindi ka. Ano pa kayo?
2 hours lang isa next. Masad ka pa? Pumunta kaming Santo Tomas para
Diyos ko po. I've been trying to find my camera for like a good 10 minutes. Kasi I'm pretty sure na it's around my room somewhere. Like, hindi ko naman siya dadalhin elsewhere. Because I'm always in my room. Hindi ko siya makita. Like, normally, nasa desk ko lang siya or nasa bedside table. Eh, wala siya doon. Tapos, hinanap ko na. Bumaba pa ako. Tapos, nandito lang pala siya. Ayun siya. Kasi, this is the reason. This is my current setup. This is so bad for your eyes. So, do not copy. Just watching vlogs. Trying to finish like half. Kasi, mag-exam na kami next week. And, yun. I wouldn't have time to do any of this. After this, I'm just going to sleep now. So, good night. Oh my gosh, I've been talking to the camera for like almost 5 minutes now and hindi pala siya nagre-record. Like, sabi ko, parang something's wrong. Hindi pala siya nagre-record. Okay, anyways, I was saying it's February 27, 6:08 and kakatapos lang ng prelims namin. Yun, tapos na siya. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi yung this week, like, Wednesday to Friday yung exam namin. Guess what I did nung Monday and Tuesday? I did my chores. Nag-edit ako, naglaba ako, nagsapay ako, naglinis-linis ako ng everything. Ay! Para lang talaga hindi ako mag-start pag-aral. Tapos, hindi ko na rin siya na-vlog kasi sa super last minute ko na mag-aral. Feel ko mag-set up ako ng camera. Tapos, i-review ko pa yung footage if gusto ko ba yung clips. Tapos, kung hindi ko pa nagustuhan, uulitin ko yung clip. By the time na that's done, wala na akong oras study to actually study. So, yun. Yun yung reason kung bakit hindi ako nakapag-vlog. I just have one more preliminary exam or like to do, which is an ad, tas a paper. Gagawin ko siya next week. Yun lang. Share ko lang. Now, I'll be playing Genshin kasi wala na akong kailangan aralin. Hindi na ako magigilty maglaro. Okay? I'm going to sleep now. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.